previously we showed you how to dismantle this vacuum cleaner and clean it. Now we're going to put all the pieces back together. They're all nice and clean, they've been dried in the sun. So remember, we had the card filter and now the main filter. We put that on there like so, and on here the arrow, we turn it to lock it. So that's now locked in there. All we have to do now is put it into the catcher. Now this is a bit fiddly, so we're to get it in the right position, which I think is so, and turn it in to lock it. And that's it, it's now locked in the catcher. We make sure, press that so that is locked, and all we do is pop that in there with the handle facing outwards, pull that down, and there it is, all put back together again, nice and clean and ready to use.